Serena?
Yeah.
I don't watch it.
Alright.
Yeah, seriously, videotape Marcus. You need to fucking him? Yes. No, not him. Hold on, let me get over here. Alright, seriously. Someone count down. Someone count down. 3, 2, 1, and shit. I told you, dude. I told you. Oh, Jess, you're the badass. You're the badass. What's that, man?